want you to see.
This is what we have to deal with
every day. Just relax, why don't you? Yeah. Unreal.
She's so pretty.
My name is Alex P, and I love to clean. So come on and join. I got some mirrors to clean, and my gloves, so come on, let's go.
Hey everybody, welcome back. For those of you who are new here, hey, I'm Alex, the paint goddess of all trades, and on this channel, I do house cleanings and DIY home projects while teaching myself new things. And we all know how these projects can get away from me when I don't plan them out, but I'm just happy you're here for it. So in today's video, we are pressing on with the moving out process and moving on to the kitchen. I started with packing away things that are not frequently used. So in a perfect world, everything would be sorted out, packed in boxes and labeled, and all trash would be discarded, but that was not the case here. We were pressed for time, and it was a get in where you fit in kind of situation. So most of the moving supplies, boxes, bubble wrap, contractor bags, all those were purchased at Lowe's. And let me know in the comments section, what home supply store do you prefer? Does it even matter? I've always gone to Home Depot, but in this case, Lowe's was literally 2 minutes away, so that was the winner. So after packing away the pots and pans, I moved on to bubble wrapping plates and other fragile items. Then I packed all those things into boxes. That's me ordering more supplies. Thanks, Joy. So when you guys are packing up plates, what do you prefer? Old school newspaper or bubble wrap? See that there's more of the get in where you fit in. And shout out to Sterilite for providing us with these amazing boxes. Just kidding, they didn't provide anything. We bought those and they were expensive. However, they did come in handy. And if you know, you know, I have literally cleared this counter 100,000 times, but then I keep using it as a workstation and it just gets piled up with stuff again, and I keep cleaning it. So look out for it. Here's some different angles for you. I know you guys like close ups. I did my best. I was starting out then. I'm still starting out. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just putting together whatever I think you guys might like. You like that nice collection of glassware and travel bottles? So I emptied all the glasses from the cabinets and I laid them out so Pastor and Joy could sort through them and decide, what they wanted, what they were going to keep, what they were going to donate. And I continued to bubble wrap and pack things away. if you made it this far, you might as well subscribe. Thank you so much for your support, and please help me hit my first milestone of 1,000 subscribers. I love you so much. See you in the next one. Bye.